What's up, BullMarketBully crew? Today, we're diving into Intuitive Surgical Inc., the leader in robotic-assisted surgery. If you've ever wondered how tech meets healthcare, you're in for a treat. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no bull market insights. Company summary. Intuitive Surgical pioneers robotic-assisted surgery with its Vinci surgical system. This system enables minimally invasive procedures, enhancing precision and reducing recovery time. Hospitals worldwide use their tech to treat complex conditions with fewer complications. As healthcare demand rises, Intuitive Surgical leads in tech innovation. Financial overview, revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Let's talk numbers. Intuitive Surgical generated $2.41 billion in Q4 2024, an 18% jump in Vinci procedures. Their profit margins stand at a robust 26.5%, showcasing strong operational efficiency. The company has zero debt and over $4.3 billion in cash, providing stability. Revenue has been growing steadily at double-digit rates, reflecting the increasing adoption of their systems. Analysis of market trends and competitive landscape. The surgical robotics market is expanding rapidly, projected to hit $15 billion by 2030. Intuitive Surgical holds the lion's share, thanks to its early entry and innovation. Their competitive moat includes 8,000 Vinci systems and a comprehensive ecosystem. Competitors like Medtronic's Hugo RAS and JJ's Ottava are trying to catch up, but Intuitive's lead and surgeon loyalty make it tough to beat. Future prospects, growth opportunities, and challenges. Intuitive Surgical is eyeing emerging markets like Asia and South America, where healthcare infrastructure is improving. Recent FDA clearance for the next-gen Vinci 5 system positions them for growth. Challenges include increasing competition and potential pricing pressure. Intuitive counters these risks with strong R&D investment and a debt-free balance sheet. Investment strategies. At $580 per share, the stock is near its 52-week high. With a PE ratio of 93.5, it's expensive, reflecting its market position and growth potential. Long-term investors might buy on dips or allocate a small percentage to balance their portfolio. Final grade. Intuitive Surgical gets an A- for long-term investors. Its strong financials and industry leadership outweigh high valuation risks. Watch this one for exposure to healthcare and tech. Bonus tip. Intuitive Surgical partnered with global healthcare leaders to pilot AI in robotic surgeries. This could improve system performance and training, adding innovation not fully priced into the stock. Big things are on the horizon. That's a wrap on today's No Bull Breakdown. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to BullMarketBully for more stock insights. Drop a comment if you're holding Isrg or want another stock breakdown. Stay sharp, stay bullish, and catch you in the next one.